Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for application of differentiation for the optimization problems. Kindly refers to the question, the total surface area of a right pyramid with a square base of the length x meter is 72 m squared. So refers to the diagram. So here we have the pyramid with the square base. So automatically we have x multiplied with the x. So if we separate into 2, so we will have x over 2, x over 2. So based on the situation given, we have the triangle if we're looking from the side. So with the situation given, we have the right angle triangle and the area which is the 7m squared. Shows that the volume, we have the V, meter cube, is given by the V squared. So if it refers to the diagram, what we have is V, which is equals to x squared h over 3. So that is the formula for the pyramid. So if based on the situation, the question said V squared. So we have to square both sides. So we will have x to the power 4, h to the power 2 over the 9. So that is the V squared. Next, what we have to do is to change the term from the h squared become the x. So based on the situation given, in the right angle triangle, we notice that we have the y squared, which is equals to h squared plus with the x squared over 4. Because we have the squared plus with the squared plus with the squared. Okay, so continue where we have y, which is equals to the square root of h squared plus with the x squared over the 4. So if it refers to the area, then we have this surface. Okay, as for the pyramid, we have 4 surfaces. So area, where we have the 4 surfaces, each surface, we have to make use of the y. So where we have this one as a y. Okay, so we have 1 over 2 because of the triangle, and then x multiplied with the y. Because here, x multiplied with the y. So continue, plus with the x squared because of the base. So here we have the side for 4, and then we have the base. So A, where we have x, we have 2x. So x multiplied with the y, where we have the square root, h squared plus x squared over the 4, plus with the x squared. So if we simplify, 72, which is equals to 2x multiplied with the square root, h squared plus with the x squared over the 4 plus with the x squared. So kindly rearrange the situation. So we have 72 minus, we have the x squared, where we have 2x multiplied with the square root, h squared plus with the x squared over the 4. So if we square both sides, then we will have the situation. So 72, we have 5184 minus 144 x squared and then plus with the x to the power 4 equals to, if we square, then we will have 4x squared multiplied with the h squared plus with the x squared over the 4. So here, after we square both sides. So kindly rearrange the situation so that h squared become the subject. So based on the situation given, we have 4x squared h squared and then plus with the x to the power of 4. So rewrite the situation. We have 5184 minus 144 x squared and then over the 4x squared where we have h squared. So if we simplify, h squared where we have 5184 divided by 4x squared, so we will have 1296 over the x squared. Minus 144 divided by 4, so we have 36. So that is the h squared. So kindly substitute the situation. So v squared, where we have x to the power 4 over the 9 bracket, we have 1296 over x to the power of 2 minus 36. So if we expand the situation, so we have the v squared, where we have 144 x squared minus we have 4 x to the power of 4. So we already shown that the situation given. Next, refers to the question, if x vary, find the value of x such that v is maximum and obtain its maximum value. So now move on with the second part. So as for the second part, we have the situation v squared equals to 144x squared minus 4x to the power of 3. So now what we have to do is to differentiate. So if we differentiate with respect to x, so here we have 2v dv dx equals to 288x minus, we have 16x to the power of 3. Next, dv dx, which is equals to 0. So if it's a 0, then we have 288x minus 16x to the power of 3 equals to 0. Factor out the 16x, then we will have 18 minus the x to the power of 2. So from here, we have 16x bracket. So we have the situation square root of 18 minus the x multiplied with the square root of 18 plus with the x equals to 0. So x will be equals to 0, x will be equals to square root of 18, x will be equals to negative square root of 18. So by using the first test, we are focusing on this part. So here we have x, which is equals to 3 sub 2. So by using the first test, we have the interval negative infinity until 3 sub 2. 3 sub 2 until infinity. For the situation, here let's say we substitute the value 4, and here we have the substitute value 5. So f prime, if we substitute value 4, we have 128. If we substitute 5, then we have negative 560. So this one is increasing, this one is decreasing. So here we will consider as maximum value when x is equals to 3 sub 2. Next is to find the volume. So v is equals to 144x squared minus 4x to the power 4. If x is equals to 3 sub 2, so the v squared where we have 1296, and then the v where we have 36 meter cube. So that will be the maximum volume for the pyramid. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.